Hello everyone, today I'm going to unlock an iPhone. As you can see on your screen, this iPhone is not connected with any Wi-Fi till now, so I will show you the procedure from A to Z, so you will know how you can iCloud unlock your iPhone free of cost, as I'm going to show you in this video. So before we start, I really appreciate your support by liking this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments if any question asked. I'm always answering everyone maximum as I can. So now what we're going to do, we'll start from the very first thing. As you can see in this iPhone, there is a SIM card, and on this SIM card it says no service. So make sure first put your SIM card into your phone. Once you put your SIM card, as so many people asking me questions that do we have to put SIM card or not, put SIM card inside. Once you put your SIM card inside, the next step is, of course, as you can see on the top, there is no Wi-Fi connected with this iPhone. Okay, next we're going to press English. Okay, the same things you are going to click what I'm clicking in this video, so it means you have to press everything same what I'm pressing here. If I'm going to press UK, you have to press UK as well. Even you are living in USA or any other country, Pakistan, India or Canada, whatever country you are living, you have to press UK. You press UK, as you can see it will ask you to set up manual. Okay, as we are not connecting this with iTunes, so we are going to press setup manual. You will see so many networks on your screen with Wi-Fi, so just connect the Wi-Fi that is your home Wi-Fi. Definitely you will need to have a password, so you will know your password of your Wi-Fi. So I have the password, I will add as normal. You will have password what you have been set up for your Wi-Fi connection. We will join. Once we will join, okay, we will join. As it connected, as you can see, tick mark, press next. As I'm sure everyone wants to see this iPhone is already iCloud lock or not, so everybody will see this iPhone is not iCloud unlock. So this is locked to iCloud. As you can see on your screen, it says activation lock. So this video is for everyone whose iPhone is lost, stolen, disabled and blacklisted in any situation. So this method working for everyone. As you can see, if you will click on the activation lock help, it will appear this screen what you can see, but there is nothing to do with this. The only thing you will remember here is, you can see here TS4515. So remember TS4515. We are going back. The information I have received, I would like to share with everyone now, as this is Eid special and I'm trying to make the free Wi-Fi for everyone, that you can unlock your iCloud. More Wi-Fi settings you click, as you see, and we have to go to your information settings. What is your Wi-Fi settings? You click on your information on your Wi-Fi and you're going to the bottom. As you can see here, configure DNS, click on this one. Here we're going to go on the manual. The automatic is the first one what is with your Wi-Fi, the one you can see 192.168.4.3 and 1. This is your own Wi-Fi. Okay, now the things we are going to add now, you will see. We have to make 3 entries here. So right now the information I have received, I have been informed that if someone will try to connect with these servers, one of them will work 100%. So I'm going to try as on your screen, same how I'm writing, just please write down the same thing. Here we have to write down 106. Okay, I'm just trying to make clear for everyone. Just write down same things what I'm writing here. Okay, now you have to write down 801 dot, now you have to write down 32 and 2 dot, here you have to write down 110. Everyone can see clearly, I'm saying as well, so everyone can hear and they can write down if you can't see properly. Second entry we are going to try now. Okay, now second entry we have to write down is 300, as you can see, dot 121 dot 000, as you can see very clear, dot 444. Okay, this is the second entry we have done just now. Now as I told you, we have to add 3 entries, so third entry is going to be now. Okay, so third entry we have to make sure we will write down here 785 121, as you can see, and last is 909. Okay, here we have to add only 3 numbers. Now next we have to go to add search domain. So same thing we have to do, we have to add 3 entries there. So in these 3 entries you're going to write down, the first one is your iCloud dot. Now there is a twist. Okay, I am writing here UK, as you see on the top on the start screen, I write down UK. So make sure everybody writing UK. Okay, this is the first entry. Second entry we have to write down disable dot iCloud dot net. Everyone can see I write disable.icloud.net. Okay, now as I told you, we have to have 3 entries. So third entry is going to be server.net. That's the 3 entries we have done. So of course now we are waiting to save these entries. So click on save. Once you click on save, it goes back. Just for everyone peace of mind, I would like to show you again. Press again, all entries are here safe. Okay, we're going back. Okay, we're going back. Okay, we're going on the start again. Once we will start again, we will go on to the English. Okay, now remember the entries we added on United Kingdom, everything we saved from there. Now we are going a little bit down, and everyone, to see this thing you have to write down here the country I'm going to tell you, because the numbers we add, these number doesn't belongs to other countries. Those numbers belongs to one country, and that is Switzerland. So you have to click on the Switzerland, so this number will directly connect it to the Switzerland. As you see, we click on Switzerland. Just for everyone to see, I will show again. Click on the Switzerland. Okay, now setup manual again. As you see, as I press setup manual again, it will take me directly to the unlock screen. What I want you to do, that you can go one more time back and try one more time. As you can see, the time is coming on the top from the start, so there is nothing dodgy. So everyone has to press. As you see, it's taking long. Go back one more time. Once you go back one more time, setup manual again. Once you set up manual again, it's coming again on activation screen. Okay, now take one more time back and again setup manual. So just follow the same instructions as I am doing in this video. I have been told by someone that in these three entries from the top and bottom, what we add numbers, one should work 100%, and we have to connect these numbers with a country called Switzerland. So now we are waiting. As you can see, it is taking quite long. It means it will work. As you see, it worked. So this is the procedure, what I can say, the working procedure, the easiest one. I try to explain to everyone, so I am sure now I will have very less questions from everyone, and everyone will be happy to unlock them iPhones free of cost. As you see, it works very smooth. So it means the information I got was correct. If it works in my iPhone, what I have just done on your screen, you should have same results what I'm getting. At the moment is almost done. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and in any case, any help, I'll be more than happy. As you can see, it works. Get started. Thank you for watching and have a good one.